How to delete messages on Signal Private Messenger. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of this channel. In this video, we're gonna learn how you can delete your messages that you have sent or that you have received on Signal Private Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Now you can either delete the entire chat or delete individual messages. Firstly, let me show you how you can delete the entire chat. You'll just need to tap and hold on the chat and you'll see this menu where you'll see an option of delete. Just tap on the delete option and the entire chat will be deleted. Now if you want to delete individual messages, you can open up the chat and again tap and hold on the message that you want to delete. And again a menu will open up where you'll need to tap on delete, or if you want to select multiple messages that you want to delete, tap on select and you'll have an option of selecting multiple messages like this, and you can tap on delete on the bottom right. Now lastly, if you don't want other people to view your messages on Signal Private Messenger, then you can enable disappearing messages. To do that, tap on the three dots on the top right, tap on disappearing messages, and by default it would be off. You can select any time. You can also add in your custom time. So for example, 1 minute. If I set it to 1 minute, whenever I send a message and whenever the other person sees the message, this message will be automatically deleted within a minute. So the other person needs to see the message in order for the time to be activated. So if you want that, you can tap on save and the disappearing messages will be enabled. So that's the video on how to delete messages on Signal Private Messenger. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.